ballerina! Ouch! This is embarrassing. The mean gang is here.
Ha ha ha! Look, it's Ballerina Cappuccino!
Hey, where are you taking me?
Your cup is perfect for toilet water.
No!
Let's make it viral. Let's go, guys.
Help! Well, another proof of what uglies get. I'm tired of this. Assassino will never ever like me. He's coming.
Make way, losers!
Assassino is so gorgeous. I love him.
What's this thing?
You always make my day, Assassino.
I'm gonna puke.
What? Even when I smile, no one ever sees me.
My espressona.
Oh, you sweet thing.
Ha ha ha! Who has no love life?
Ballerina Cappuccino.
You guys are so mean. Gotta be away from all of this. My legs are killing me. Ah, yes. I need to sit down.
Oh no! Do not sit on me!
This chair feels weird.
Get your butt off me!
What is this? A chair monster?
I'm not a monster. My name is Kakerka Kurkur.
Oh, I'm sorry. Everyone laughs at me because I'm ugly.
You're not ugly.
I will never be a graceful ballerina.
I have an idea. Let's have a makeover. The start of your makeover journey. Are you ready? Let's wash your face first. That's a start. Now let's dry your pimples.
It's so hot.
Just trust the process. Popping pimples, here we go. Aha! Let's burst the biggest one. Now shave those hairy legs. See, you've got smooth skin. Let me see your armpits. Horrible. Well, that's what this electric shaver is for. You don't need those armpit hair. Now let's cut your toenails. And we have to change your eating habits. Bye-bye junk food. Hello veggies. Yes, you can do it. Run as fast as you can. Build those muscle. And you need to lose those glasses. How about a laser surgery? And finally, this Bubble Blast Beauty Foam will get rid of those pimples once and for all. Look at you.
Are we done?
Not yet. Here's a blast of makeup magic.
Oh, wow.
And let's fill your cup with fresh cappuccino foam. Are you ready for the big reveal?
I think I am.
Good luck, Ballerina Cappuccina. You got this.
What? Who is that? Is that Ballerina Cappuccina?
I think I'm in love!
She's so pretty. Whoa! Who's this hot coffee?
Hi, Assassino. How are you? Do you like my new look?
Will you be my girl? Please, say yes.
Oh, yes!
How dare you, Assassino? You'll pay for this, Ballerina Cappuccina.
I'm so happy.
Me too, Assassino.
That happiness won't last. How about some poison-flavored croissant?
Look, there's one left. Can I have it?
Go on, just one bite.
Oh no! It's poison!
I can feel it.
Ballerina!
Yes!
Today was the first time I was truly happy.
Ballerina! No! Doctor! I need a doctor! She's dying!
Tung 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 sahur.
What happened?
Save my wife or I'll kill you!
Oh my god, she is losing coffee!
I'm dying. My coffee is gone. I'm so empty.
We are losing her! Quick, defibrillator! And clear! Whoopsie!
If she dies, you die too. Comprende?
We need more coffee, quick!
No, no, no. Oh my god. Do something, doctor.
It's not enough! Where do I get more coffee?
What are you doing?
You will be her coffee donor! Espresso transfusion!
What happened?
It worked! Thank God!
I'm alive. I feel great.
Let's put a bandage on! A final touch! Bellissima!
I feel full. Look at me.
Hey, what about me, doc?
And
You're back, Cappuccina. I love you, Cappuccina.
I love you, Assassini.
Tough day! I need some coffee! Ugh!